What is out there?
Bunch of booths from KPU has two.
Okay.
JRFM has one.
Okay.
Radio. And bunch of green initiatives for the kids.
Great.
Yeah.
So this is just one of our guest room floors. There's 16 floors of guest rooms in total.
Okay.
Each floor is themed after. We're on the 18th floor. On the 22nd floor, we have a rooftop patio.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's under construction today, so we can't show you. You'll have to come back later in the summer.
Yeah.
In the summer?
In the summer, yeah.
Can we do tours again?
Well, I do tours all the time.
Oh.
All day.
Lobby?
Bobby, G, please.
Very quick elevator.
Doesn't waste any time.
Ground floor going up.
So behind you, you'll see we're on the Okanagan floor.
Okanagan floor?
Oh, yeah.
So you can see the map of the area as well as some images representing the area.
Okay.
And then each of the guest rooms on this floor is themed after a different town or landmark within this region.
Oh,
And
okay.
I'll show you how we pull that through. Sales. So this is one of our standard rooms. It's with a king bed. If you go over the window, you can actually look right down on the event.
I can see Burnaby there.
Yeah.
That's Burnaby Metro Town on the horizon.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
I can see YVR on the horizon too. And that one's under construction over there.
Yes, that's
SFU Surrey expansion?
correct.
Yeah.
That's not opening next year?
I'm not positive when they're opening. It's gone up very quickly. It
Yeah.
looks like soon. So you'll see here on this feature wall, we're on the Okanagan Falls room. So again, map of the area.
Okay.
And then behind you, we've commissioned a local artist to do images representing this town. So there's custom artwork in each of our guest rooms.
Right?
All the way to 1813.
1818.
1813.
Oh, 1813.
Should we go left here? Sales.
Now we're heading. Oh, we're in Penticton.
Now we're in the Penticton room.
What is the last one? Okanagan?
Okanagan Falls.
Okanagan Falls.
It's a small town south of Penticton.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see Guilford on the horizon.
On Portman Bridge.
Portman Bridge. That's over there.
On a clear day, you can see right across to Mount Baker.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Actually,
Cool.
the clouds are covering it today.
Yeah.
Well, no Mount Baker today.
No Mount Baker today.
Can you see? You can see the SkyTrain. What is that? That the awning? Is that the awnings on the On the bottom?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it looks like the cover of the SkyTrain station.
yeah.
I'm gonna take a look.
What do you think so far?
Yeah.
So far, so
Cool.
good.
Pretty nice.
The door locks are cool.
We'll go to the left again.
Left 15 or 14?
Let's try 14.
Okay.
Sales.
Who constructed that?
ITC was the general contractor.
Okay. Okay, the SkyTrain is there. As you can see in the bottom, Surrey Central Station is currently under construction. The West Station House. I can see Surrey Memorial Hospital and the hub at King George. White Rock.
These are my favorite rooms.
Let's see,
View on
Esplanade
both sides.
downtown. Oh, we're in the Kelowna room.
We are.
Oh. No.